Hi everyone, this is Victor Pandyan. I'll be the instructor for you this session. Hello everyone. So my name is Victor Pandyan. In this session, we'll be learning about discovery campaign using Google Ads. Now, what is discovery campaign? Okay, so discovery campaign lets you to share your brand story with people across Google feeds when they are open to discovering new product or services. As the name says, people will be discovering, people will be understanding, people will be typing for a keyword, people will be typing for to learn something, right? So as the name says, people will be discovering something, researching. Okay, so discovery campaign lets your to share your brand story with the people across your Google feed when they open to discover new product or services. So you can see such advertisement on your YouTube home and what's next and discover and Gmail promotion social tabs using a single campaign. Now let's look how it looks in your mobile phone. So let's go to Google. So let me show you how it looks on the images section. So over here, if you check, you might have observed this on your YouTube. You might have observed this. You might have observed this on your YouTube, right? So you can see it in Google Discovery campaign like this on your YouTube, on your Discover, on your Gmail. You'll be able to understand like how this particular campaign works. Now, whatever the keyword that I'm going to type, based on that, I'll be getting the relevant result. Okay, so let's go ahead creating this particular campaign using Google Ads. So let's open a new tab and look for ads.google.com and let's click on enter. Another simple campaign to create, to be frank. Okay, so let's go and create a Google account now. All right. So let's click on this. Let's click on new campaign and let me focus on sales or whatever. You can pick whichever option you want. I always prefer sales because I'm from a marketing background and a sales background. I would love to do sales, right? Okay, let's go over here, pick discovery campaign and let's click on continue. Now can you see the stages are just two? Okay, we need to create a campaign and just confirm it to create. It's very simple process. Let's go ahead understanding it, and we will be also getting the weekly estimate towards your left. Let's focus on the creatives and logos and go ahead creating the discovery campaign. So let me focus on one demo campaign. So my focus the type will be discovery and the location that I've selected is India. You can precisely select whichever location that you're targeting. Focus upon the language that your customers speak. Okay, so focus on that. And below bidding strategies which we have, what do you want to focus on? Do you want to focus on conversion? Now what is conversion? As you all know, conversions, I want people to come to my website and buy a particular product. That I consider as a conversion. I want people come to my website and download a brochure. That I consider as a conversion. I want people come into my website and sign up. That I consider as a conversion. Now whatever you consider as a conversion, that you call as conversion, right? So what do you want to focus on? Conversions. Yes, that's the only option which we have selected. So cost per action or cost per acquisition. So let me focus. I want to give 20 rupees. Okay, like means one single action that your customer is gonna take. I'm gonna spend 20 rupees on it. All right. So let's scroll down over here. How much you want to spend every day? 1,000 rupees, 2,000. So let me go for 1,000 rupees per day. Now you have to divide 1,000 rupees I'm spending. CPA is 20 rupees. Now how much you will be getting? 1,000 divided by 20, 50. Yeah. So let's scroll down. Additional settings over here. And we have ad schedules over here which says when I want to create a campaign. Okay, so let's click on this. Do you want to focus on all days or do you only want to focus on particular days? Let's say my office is on work only from Monday to Friday, so I'll select this option. My office works on only Sunday Saturdays, I'll fix on this option. or I am creating campaign only on Sunday, Saturdays. Let's take an example of PVR. Okay, so PVR or any leisure time where you can spend good money on your weekend, you can focus on that. So depending upon that, you can focus on your campaign and scroll down. You have to focus on your start date and end date over here. Campaign URL you have to give. Conversion we have to set it at the last. Content exclusion. Okay, so discovery campaign exclude more sensitive content. It will exclude more sensitive content, like it could be sexual content, or it could be under maturity people, like 18 plus. It automatically get excluded. Okay, so your account level content exclusion don't apply. So let's scroll down now. Let's create an ad group. Again, I'm putting it as a demo. Let me scroll down over here. You have to select your precise targeting. Okay, who will be interested in your content? Okay, when you talk about discovery campaign, who will be interested using your content? So I'm not selecting them. You can precisely select whomever you want. Let's focus on demographics. So here you can target your male or a female, or you can go for the age group, parental status, or top rich people or the top poor people towards your right bottom. Okay, so let's scroll down. So make sure it says household income targeting is available in only selected areas. That means where Google is having a solid data, this is applicable. Okay, now that the next one is, and the final one is, I have to create a creative. Let's click on new ad. You can either focus for discovery carousel. Now what is carousel? One particular image will be there. Let's say the size of 1000 into 1000. Now similar way you should have around 5 to 6 images which keeps on scrolling. That is carousel. The next one is discovery ad. It's a simple creative content. So let's focus on discovery. Let me focus on discovery carousel ad itself, and let me scroll down. Can you see the preview here? This is how it will look on your YouTube. So all we need to do is just give the final URL. We have to give the headline, we have to give the description, business name, and that's it. Okay, so let's do it practically. So what is the final URL after looking at this advertisement? Where you want the customer to come? Do you want the customer to come to your YouTube channel, or do you want the customer to come to your website? What is the action that you are expecting from your customer? That you have to give it over here. So make sure your website is having HTTPS www.learndigital.co. So just give the relevant headline. So digital marketing training. Okay, get certified. Okay, which makes sense. Get certified, digital marketing training, get certified. Below you have to give the relevant description. So I would like to give learn digital marketing. So I have given the description here, learn digital marketing from experts, and what are the modules, what are the major kings or major pillars of digital marketing, that those things I have given here. Now here you have to give the business name. So what's my business name? It is Learn Digital Academy, that I've given. So let me scroll down. The next one is I have to focus on images and logos. Okay, add at least one logo and 2 images, at least minimum. This is the criteria which you have to focus on. So drop your website URL, which website Google scans. So let me pick this and I'll make this as logo. Guys, make sure you optimize your logo first. So create a size for 250 to 250 or 500 into 500 and upload it over here. For learning purpose, I'm using this now. So let me select this as a logo. So I'll be using this as image. Alright, let me save it and let's check the preview how it looks. Can you see the carousel here? Yeah. Now, best digital, for each carousel, try to focus on the relevant keywords. Okay. Best Digital Marketing Institute. What is the call to action that you want to focus? Which, if you want to give automated, leave it to Google. It considers the best uh, call to action from your website, and what you want, it understands. Based on that, it will take itself, or you can focus on whichever option you want. Recommended is sign up, then click upon next. Now for second carousel, learn digital marketing online. Okay, I have given this call to action, download, because I want people to download my particular app. So learn digital marketing online and get certified, and click upon done. Alright, let's check the beautiful preview which we have created. Can you see this? So this is how it will look on your discovery campaign. Can you see AD over there? So preview of Gmail, this is discovery where you can see it in your mobile phone. This is on YouTube. So precisely, so this is the three places where your advertisement is eligible to be shown. So let's scroll down. You can create another ad group and click on continue. That's it. All right. Thank you so much. Hope this session was really informative for you, understanding the discovery campaign using Google Ads. A pretty simple campaign like smart campaign which we created earlier. So all you need to do is practice more on this. If you have any query, you can reach us on. Thank you so much. See you all in next section. Bye. All right. Hope this session was very informative. So let us meet again in our next session. Thank you.